The guy who won it, he don't want me to open it up, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. How you can play and win the Pick Three lottery. I've been playing for some time, and I have won some tickets. And whenever I win, I will go downtown and I will tell them to write me a check because I want to make a recording regarding playing the Pick Three lottery. So these are some of the checks that I have won in the past. I'm gonna show it to you. As you can see, I took my name off those checks, so just know that this is $300. You can see it's $300, and it was made to me. This is the Kentucky Lottery. That's $300. That's one of the check. And here's another check for $250. And as you can see, it was made to me too. And there is another one for $350. And you can see right here, $350. And I'm not saying this because I'm trying to brag or anything. I just want you to know that there is a way that you can play. There is a system that you can use that will allow you to win the Pick Three lottery constantly. I mean, you're gonna lose at times, but if you know how to do it, you're gonna be playing their money, not your money. So I'm gonna show that to you, but let me just show you these checks. This is $400, as you can see right here. And here's another check for $600 right here, Kentucky Lottery. I make copies of these checks. I took it downtown to the FedEx for them to make a copy. The guy that was making the copy, he said, no, I can't make it in color. If you want to make it in color, you have to do it yourself. So I was like, okay, let's just do it in black and white. So you can see right here, another one. Here is another ticket, another check for $100. Here's another one. This one right here, I make sure that I did not cut off the tax side so I can show it to you. You see, it's $350, but it's still gonna give you the slip right here where the tax is supposed to go, and it's gonna be 00 all the way to the net of 350, because if you make over 600, then they will take tax off. But if it's just 600, they're gonna take off no taxes. So that's the way to do it. But the way that I play this, I use a wheel system. This is the wheel system that I use to play. It is called the Ultimate Pick Three wheel system. And I'm telling you, never play a Pick Three without using a wheel system. Because the wheel system will help you to distribute your numbers, all your combinations, so you can have a chance. You can raise up your chances of winning. Don't throw your money away. Don't just go to the teller and say, give me a quick pick. And now, you might win at times, but guess what? 99.9 times, you're going to lose. But if you play with a wheel system, I guarantee if your number fall into those group of number that you chose to play, you are guaranteed to have a winning ticket. So that's what I do. I play with this wheel system. This wheel system allow me to wheel 6 numbers, and I can even wheel 8 numbers. There is another way that you can do it to wheel 8 numbers, because you have a 6-number wheel. All you have to do is to add another 3 number to those wheels. But I will show you in a minute. The link is gonna be below. If you wanna get this wheel system, the link is gonna be below.